So a female teacher was allegedly assaulted by two male students of Camperdown High this week. The boys were reportedly trying to retrieve a phone she took from them. It is said that they squeezed her behind a grill and wrung her hands to get back the phone. According to the principal, Valentine Bailey, he says the teacher is traumatized by the incident and the matter is being dealt with based on the instructions of the school's chairman, who was on the compound at the time when the incident happened. Being a mentor, I know, I would just said it, you enjoy it.
Yeah, and I've had a rough week with my boys.
Yeah?
Yeah, there's a little thing going on that we're sensing that there's a shift in discipline among the boys. And some of the girls as well, but for me, the boys, it's almost as if they're going into a different direction, like not the direction we want them to go, and I'm trying to figure out what's causing it. And I pinpoint a couple of things. Music.
Thank you, thank you. You take your words out my mouth. That's the first one.
Right, the music and the people that they hang around. Because I had a really tough time this week with one of them, you know. I felt almost wild him up at school, you know. Drape him up on them something. I've never had to do that before. That's how bad it's getting. I
don't know, and the thing is, we keep saying that music has an impact on children, whether or not we want to admit that. Why do you think we teach children their ABCs using a song, or we teach them nursery rhymes using a song? It's because those things, they tend to ingratiate themselves in your brain. They get stuck, you know. And so when we have dancehall music being put out there and everything is violent.
I think just dancehall, like music from hip hop, R&B, and all that.
That's true. That is true. I'm not going to jump on dancehall, but thank you. And but we have to be careful of what we allow our children to listen to. And also what we as people are putting out there, because it definitely does affect people.
Yeah, and I see how the children are reacting to teachers and treating their teachers. Parents, don't give your child that much power. Yeah. Because a lot of times your teacher does something at school, child goes home.
Can I tell you a little story? Yeah. I have a sister who works at a prominent all-boys high school. And she came home one day in tears, literally in tears. And big up yourself, Nats. But she was so hurt by the fact that these kids thought that it was okay for them to make mention of her physical appearance. Mind you, she goes to school as best she can, covering what she can cover. Yeah. And they pass comments, they say things, and because she reacted to the child and told the child in no uncertain terms that that was, I mean, inappropriate. Yeah. You know what the picnic say? They're going to call them brother, and brother is a dad. What do you do when you're faced with a situation like that?
Yeah, and you can't take things into your own hands. A lot of times, even you mention it to the administration, they do nothing. And you're taught as a teacher, from what I'm hearing, is that there's certain things that you can't say to a child, certain things you can't do to a child, even in defense of yourself. Yeah. There are certain things you can't do. I'm not teaching nobody picnic because I can't do that, because I'm telling you straight off the bat. It's tough, man. It's tough. It's tough. What our next topic? Transport Minister Mike Henry is to consider a suggestion from some transport operators in Western Jamaica for legal provisions to be pursued to allow passengers who knowingly take robot taxis to be charged with aiding and abetting the operation of the illegal taxis. Henry said while it would be challenging to pursue and achieve, he'll be looking at the call.
You ever see a robot taxi drive?
You ever see any taxi drive?
You ever saw them overtake and fling themselves and me not have nobody drive with me, so you know. I remember when we used to take them taxi, I remember telling the man to stop and let me out. Yeah. And all of the passengers in the taxi cost me. It's always going to happen. It's always going to happen. Like if you don't love your own life enough to not let somebody take that kind of liberty with it. And that's dangerous, you know? Like the way they drive, and they're not, a lot of them aren't insured. So if something happens to you in the vehicle, then that's it. You don't get anything. Yeah, that's it. I agree with the call. I think definitely. It's something that's needed. I know they don't want to go home when the traffic high and don't want to take the shortcut, but it's not worth your life. Yeah. It's not worth your life. It's not worth the life of others either. Exactly. So, but other measures can be put in place, will be put in place to help that, but the illegal taxis. Yeah. I agree. All right, you've probably seen a few pictures making the rounds online, and yes, it's true. Rapper Jay-Z was in Jamaica. The American hip-hop mogul arrived in the island on Thursday and made a few stops, including the legendary Tough Gang studio. It is believed he was here to record some tracks. The rapper was also spotted at Helsha Beach. I can't believe them carrying about Helsha. In St. Catherine, hanging out with Junior Gang and dancehall artist Ninja Kid, enjoying the local cuisine and admiring the beach scenery. Now look here, if I don't go carry the man go beach, it's not Helsha, I don't go carry. Helsha, bring him go Helsha. No, if you want to go eat the fish, then me carry him go back Helsha, we go eat. Bro, stop it nice, man, because you wear equal rights shirts, so I don't know where you jump on me.
Bring my head shop.
They want to go over there and eat a fish shop.
Bring my head shop. I'd bring him to the head shop. When my friend came from California and I brought him to the head shop.
Fine to eat,
and
but in
jumping
terms
in the water.
In terms of, no, don't. Oh no, I would never have put him in that water. I hope
it's a big deal though for.
Of course.
And it shows how influential our music is.
I'm going to tell you something. I love Jay-Z and all, but unless he did work with Beyonce, I really never, you know.
I knew you were going to say that, you know. I knew you were going to say that.
Beyonce,
yeah, I knew you were going to say that. Yeah, but
if she was here, would I find her, you know?
Oh yeah, I know. All right, so new details have emerged in the London attacks. The 3 terrorists who struck London Bridge last Saturday actually tried to hire a 7.5-ton lorry on the morning of the attack to kill even more people and inflict a bigger atrocity in Britain. Early on Saturday morning, police investigating the attack made raids in East London and arrested 2 more on suspicion of terror offences, bringing the number of people held to 7. So I'm saying people are intentionally going out there to harm people.
Yeah, man, that's what terrorism is about.
Yeah.
They make that kind of indentation on our society. It warps their minds. It affects everybody to the point where it makes us all want to, you know, stay inside.
And you can't live like that.
You're so afraid of life that there is no life.
And you can't live like that. Yeah. Like I don't like being in my house too long. And
cabin fever.
You know?
We can't be afraid, guys. We can't be afraid. At the end of the day, we really can't be afraid. Let's just, I guess, live to the best of our ability, live your best life. And
just be aware.
Yeah.
As best as possible, even though sometimes you can't.
Be aware when something happens, though. It's just like that. But I hope say Kingston 21, them call Florida. Yeah. Let's hope nothing happens there so it comes here, right? Sure. And definitely still our condolences for Britain. That's it for the trending topics this morning. Well, we've got a great show on.